Today we talk about how can you enable Reddit notifications on your Reddit app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down here, click on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account settings, just click on it. Then you go down here into your phone to manage notifications, just click on it. Then you go down here, just keep going down until you will find here Rereddit, just click on it. So click here on Rereddit, just click on it here. Click here on all on, just click on it. Like you see here, Reddit notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.